This dragon-decorated vase was created by the Saint Louis Crystal Works before 1900. The Saint Louis Crystal Works were founded in 1585 in the Münzthal Valley. It began by working with glass, before discovering the secret of crystal manufacture in 1781. The body of the vase, made of multi-layered glass, has a jade green acid-etched base, with alternating shiny and matte areas to evoke the air in which the dragon moves. The top layer of red color reveals the dragon and bat motifs, as well as the clouds. The engraved lines show through the hue of the vase's base, while certain details are enhanced with gold, giving the fantastic figure depth and life. The Chinese inspiration for the piece is particularly evident in the motifs that adorn the vase. The dragon is an eminently Far Eastern motif. The treatment of the clouds is also part of an Orientalist mode of representation, and the flames are represented in the same way in Chinese art as on our vase. It is even likely that an existing Chinese model was copied for this piece. The Musée Saint Louis holds an identical vase in its collections.